Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Biolin is probably one of the most sought-after products in the market right now, and for good reason. It's a game changer that promises to revolutionize how we approach, mention product category or benefit. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd, exploring its innovative features, unparalleled performance, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if the Biolin is the ultimate solution you've been searching for to enhance your mention-related activity or problem. Number 5. Bunnel Pupil Violin Outfit 4/4 by Kennedy Violins. Discover the joy of playing music with this exceptional violin outfit. It's designed for aspiring musicians and includes everything you need to get started. This outfit comes with high-quality accessories recommended by professionals. You'll receive a Brazil wood bow, rosin, installed D'Addario strings, a durable case, and an extra set of strings. Our instruments are meticulously assembled and quality checked in the USA, ensuring superior performance and longevity. We provide an instrument ready for you to tune and play immediately. Crafted from solid maple and spruce tonewoods with genuine ebony fittings, this violin offers a beautiful satin oil finish and exceptional sound quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty and a 45-day money-back guarantee. Our dedicated customer service team is here to answer any questions and ensure your satisfaction. This violin is expertly set up for immediate playability. It's the perfect choice for students and beginners looking for a reliable and high-quality instrument. What we like? This one is assembled and quality checked in the USA, ensuring long-term performance and a great playing experience right out of the box. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee for your peace of mind. If you are looking for an instrument with excellent customer support and a commitment to quality, this is the one for you. What people say. The Bunnel Pupil Violin kit from Kennedy Violins is absolutely everything I could have wanted. The hygrometer in the case does seem to work. The case is sturdy, padded with cutouts for accessories and includes straps for carrying backpack style. The kit comes with one bow, already rosined and ready to go, and an extra set of strings in addition to the D'Addario strings already installed. The violin itself looks very nice, and is of obvious good quality. The pegs fit well and do not slip, the bridge is sturdy, the fine tuners work well and are easier to turn than I expected, the bow is light and sturdy and the hairs stay put so far. The sound seems quite nice, especially after learning to hold the bow properly and use the right pressure. This is a great sounding violin for the price. Have received many compliments from violin teachers saying that the violin itself sounds really good. I have purchased 3 of these for my children and each one is great quality. Easy to tune. The violin arrived ready to play as advertised, all it needed was a little adjustment on the fine tuners. The violin itself is attractive and well built, and I was able to get a nice resonant sound out of it after a little bit of guidance from an online violin lesson app. The case is protective yet attractive, a nice step up from some of the flimsy beginner cases I've seen for other instruments. Number 4. Bunnel Pupil Violin Outfit 4/4 Clearance. This instrument is a high-quality clearance item, marked down due to minor cosmetic flaws that don't impact its sound or playability. Our team is here to help with any questions you may have. This outfit comes with all the essential accessories professional players recommend. You'll receive a bow, rosin, installed strings, a case, an extra set of strings, and a shoulder rest. Unlike many competitors, the final assembly and setup are performed right here in the USA. This ensures long-term quality and a superior playing experience from the start. This violin is meticulously handcrafted using solid maple and spruce tonewoods, with genuine ebony fittings. It's finished with a beautiful satin oil finish for a classic look. We stand behind our instruments with a lifetime warranty and a 45-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so please reach out with any questions. What we like? This option is a fantastic value, marked down due to a minor cosmetic defect that doesn't impact playability or sound. It still boasts USA assembly and quality checks, along with a complete outfit. If you're a budget-conscious beginner or looking for a great deal on a quality instrument, this clearance model is an excellent choice. What people say. The sound was splendid, crystal clear, and very warm. The build quality is excellent, the setup feels right out of the box, and all the included accessories and case make this a great complete package. Solid maple and spruce tone woods with ebony fittings. Number 3. Phoenix Violin 4/4 Full-Size Kit. Experience the rich, clear tones produced by this instrument, meticulously crafted from premium spruce and maple wood. Its durable ebony components ensure lasting quality and resonance. Unpack and start playing right away. The bridge is pre-installed, strings are tuned, and the bow is ready. A simple tune-up is all you need for immediate musical enjoyment. Enjoy an exceptional playing experience, inspired by the legendary Stradivarius model. Its smooth design and carefully selected strings deliver a rich, sweet, and soft tone. This comprehensive kit includes everything a beginner needs: the instrument, a rosewood bow, extra strings and bridge, tuner, mute, rosin, fingerboard stickers, shoulder rest, strap, case, and manual. This full-size violin is an ideal gift for students of all ages. It provides all the essentials to begin learning, making it a thoughtful present for friends, family, or loved ones. What we like. This kit is designed for immediate play, with the bridge installed and strings adjusted, making it incredibly user-friendly for beginners. It's crafted based on the traditional Stradivarius model for a beautiful sound. If you're a beginner who wants to start playing right away with a comprehensive set of accessories, this is a perfect gift. What people say. The violin has a warm, pleasant tone, and the included case, tuner, and rosin were all great quality for a beginner kit. The fingerboard stickers made it much easier for her to learn proper finger placement. The violin itself is well crafted, with a clear, resonant sound that improves with practice. Number 2. Mendini by Cecilio Violin 4/4 Full-Size Beginner Kit. Experience superior sound with this instrument, crafted from hand-carved spruce and maple. Its design ensures excellent tone and durability for long-lasting musical enjoyment. Designed for comfort, its smooth contours allow for extended practice sessions. The premium strings produce rich, resonant tones, inspiring your musical journey. This full-size instrument is an ideal starting point for beginners of all ages. It makes a thoughtful gift to help anyone begin their musical adventure. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the instrument, bow, extra strings, bridges, rosin, shoulder rest, tuner, lesson book, and a protective hard case. Your instrument arrives nearly ready to play. Simply tune the pegs gently, and you'll be making music in minutes with this hassle-free setup. What we like. This violin features an ergonomic design for comfortable, long-term playability, making it ideal for beginners. It comes as a complete kit with everything needed to start, and it's almost ready to play, requiring only simple tuning. If you're looking for a comfortable and hassle-free introduction to the violin, this is a great option. What people say. This is a perfect product for a kid or a beginner, and it comes with everything you need. It's a good violin, especially for a beginner, comes with great accessories, but I would replace the rosin with a better quality rosin like Hill. It will sound better. The bow is nice and sturdy, and the screw maintains the horsehair very well. I only have to adjust it about once per week. Number 1. Eastar Violin 4/4 Full-Size EVA 2. Introducing the Eastar Violin 4/4, designed specifically for beginners. This full-size instrument makes learning easy and enjoyable from the very start. It features an imprinted finger guide on the fingerboard, helping you find the correct finger positions quickly. This makes practicing and learning new songs much more efficient. Crafted from premium spruce and maple wood with an antique varnish finish, this violin offers a rich and resonant sound. The hand-finished details ensure a comfortable playing experience. The tuning pegs are made from high-quality wood, providing a smooth and stable tuning experience. Once tuned, it stays in tune, allowing you to focus on your music. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to start playing: a hard case, rosin, shoulder rest, bow, and extra strings. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for aspiring violinists. Embark on your musical journey with confidence. This instrument is built for durability and playability, ensuring a rewarding experience for every beginner. What we like. This violin stands out with its inlaid finger guide on the fingerboard, which is incredibly helpful for beginners to quickly find finger positions. It's also elegantly designed and hand-carved, with tuning pegs that offer appropriate friction for easy and stable tuning. If you're a primary student or a beginner who values clear guidance and an aesthetically pleasing instrument, this is a great choice. What people say. Eastar has adopted a thin matte finish, in contrast to the thick, shiny plasticky finish which is found on most violins of this price range. This finish will allow the wood of the instrument to breathe naturally, and the tone of the instrument should increase with time just like any fine instrument. I received 2 bridges with my violin, and both of them were perfectly cut to match the violin. This is an important point, because it is expensive to get a violin maker to cut a bridge for your violin, but unless the bridge is perfectly fitted, then you will never get a true tone from the instrument. The inlaid spots on the neck of the violin made finding the correct finger position so easy, though I noticed after about 20 minutes of playing that my ear could tell when my fingers weren't in the proper position. But for a complete beginner, this is extremely helpful and again cuts out the need for extra purchases. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.